Hey, this is Mark from Full Speed RC Hobbies. I'm going to show you a way to modify the landing gear on the Yak 54 3D. Very quick, simple way just to remedy it without, getting elaborate. I used a piece of rigid wire this is actually from a Chinese menu, a Chinese takeout box, takeout food. This is supposed to be bent, but I straightened it already. So you straighten the handle out, get about 8 inches of metal, and you want to cut off, it's like 2 inches or so, cut off the right amount that you would need to solder here, and you'd be left with like 6 1/4, and you end up bending it to this shape of your landing gear. Okay, now first, I hope you can see this. This is mounts in the receiver in the airplane, and straight, and I bent the landing gear equally forward with 2 pairs of pliers. One like this, and the other one, this is not pliers, but bent it forward each side. Then you could rest it down, try to see how true you have it. Once you have that, I used 2 small magnets, very strong, like rare earth magnets. One underneath here to hold that in place, and one down where I was about to solder, a little higher, so it would hold it. Well, actually, I soldered the middle first. So when I was done with that, I put this down here, held it tight, soldered it, brought this over here, bent it as necessary to get it to stay, and also use a magnet, but try to get it to stay as close as you can so it doesn't pull away. Soldered that on. Solder the crossbar across the top, and it makes for a very rigid landing gear compared to what it was. And I've used it on my Yaks. I have the old version and the new, and it works great. I am working on another design that will be even better, because it probably can bend in this lower half if you have a really hard landing, by accident, dead stick or anything. But it works really good to stop it from bowing out when you come down, and by bending it forward, and the way this rod is welded on, stops it from flexing back. So this is a quick and easy fix. Chinese takeout handle, or if you have any other type of metal that's not heavy. I don't know what gauge this is, but it's kind of rigid, and it worked out fine. Can't get it. Wish I had the Yak. Hold on 1 second. I don't think I can get this in the picture. Here's a version that I did. Actually not down half as far, but it works really good. I don't have it pushed all the way in. When you come down here about 3 inches, it actually works a lot better. Like this one. This one's actually for a Daredevil that someone owns. Just a quick and easy fix. When I get the other design, I'll get back to you guys. Thanks.